Good evening and welcome to 6 p.m. Prime. Once again coming to you live from the national capital. It's quite a cold, windy evening in Delhi. Some parts received rains, and where I'm standing, specifically where I'm standing, beyond these barricades are the farmers who have been sitting here at the Ghazipur border for the last 71 days. It will be a cold night for the farmers as well, ladies and gentlemen. While the heat, in fact, has been generated on the farm laws in the parliament once again today. It was a heated day in the parliament when the opposition took on the Narendra Modi government as far as the farm laws are concerned. So the farmers on the ground, the opposition in the parliament is now taking on the BJP government as far as these farm laws are concerned. Meanwhile, BJP's Jyotiraditya Scindia, he spoke on the farm laws and said the BJP government has broken the shackles to ensure the farmers can independently sell their produce anywhere in the country. He even mocked the Congress party, saying it backed reforms earlier and is now trying to hoodwink the farmers. TMC MP Derek O'Brien took a dig at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He added the government is objecting to remarks from outside of a farmers' agitation. It gave the slogan Ab Ki Baar Trump Sarkar. JDS HD Deve Gowda termed the violence in the national capital on 26 January as unfortunate. He also added that those who disrespected the national flag should be punished.
इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं कि किसान भारत के विकास की रीढ़ की हड्डी है। किसान को हम अन्नदाता कहते हैं और इसी सोच और विचार के साथ सभापति महोदय, हमारी सरकार ने ये 3 कृषि कानून हम लेके आए हैं ताकि कृषि के क्षेत्र में नया विकास हो, नई प्रगति हो।
The Prime Minister of India said by 2022 farmer income will be doubled. That's a promise. At current rates, if that were to happen, it will not happen before 2028. 2028.
वो सड़िया, वो कील, वो खाई। सर, मैं सरहद पे कभी गया नहीं हूं, लेकिन जो तस्वीरें सरहद की देखी हैं वो भी ऐसी नहीं देखी हैं। किससे लड़ रहे हैं आप? अपने किसानों से लड़ रहे हैं। और वो क्या कह रहे हैं? आपसे चांद नहीं मांग रहे हैं, अपना हकूक मांग रहे हैं। आप उनको समझाने चले कि तुम्हारे लिए हम कानून ला रहे हैं, बहुत बढ़िया कानून है। क्यों समझाने की जरूरत पड़ रही है? क्यों खालिस्तान पाकिस्तान टुकड़े टुकड़े आंगे लाने की जरूरत पड़ रही है? अरे हमारा लोकतंत्र बहुत मजबूत है, किसी के एक ट्वीट से कमजोर नहीं होगा। आपने विमर्श को कमजोर कर दिया।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.